Hey, what up, man? Alkaline has got to be the most impactful artist of the decade 2015 to 2025. He has got to be the most impactful artist for the last decade. And I'm gonna get to why I say that in just a bit. Now we're in December 2024 and we're heading into 2025. When was the last time that Alkaline dropped a banger? When was the last time Alkaline dropped a hit song that had the entire dancehall community calling his name? It has got to be Hostage. The Alkaline's last hit song was Hostage, and that was way back about 2 years ago. And now we're in December 2025. And here is this guy's name in all the dancehall conversation without even dropping a hit song for the past 2 years. I mean, Alkaline has gotten so lazy, it isn't even funny anymore. Listen, man, I was a die-hearted Vendetta fan. I'm telling you, was. Keyword was. And if my friends ever hear me saying that, they would say I'm lying because they know how much I supported Alkaline. But man, work is work, bro. This guy ain't doing shit. I mean, he's contributed a whole lot to dancehall. Nobody can take that from him. But if you're gonna talk about consistent, no. His consistency stopped about 2021 thereabout. And what is it with this new flow that this guy has? He's picked up a new flow like he's singing up in his nose. What's up with that with that, man? I don't know. But what I want to say is that it's so unfair to the other artists in dancehall who's putting in the work, staying on the grind, releasing hit songs after hit songs, and once they drop a song, here are the comments. Well, Alkaline this, Alkaline that. It's unfair, man. I seen Masicka put out big albums, two big albums, and here are Vendetta fans. Oh, Alkaline this, Alkaline that. I mean, look at it now. Vibes Cartel has been released from prison. Alkaline hasn't dropped a song in like 2.5 years, a good song in like 2.5 years. And here's everybody with Alkaline's name. Well, Alkaline this, Vibes Cartel Alkaline. What? I mean, come on, man. I was a Vendetta fan, but I'm not gonna be a sheep following no artist who's not putting out no good song. I mean, I can't sit down and even tolerate the Alkaline song anymore. It's pure fuckery. But I'm just saying, man, it's not fair to the other artist who is putting in the work, doing the grind, and here's these fans all the time with Alkaline's name. I mean, Vibes Cartel came out of prison and Vibes Cartel is having a field day in the media, on social media. And here's everybody calling up Alkaline's name, giving him the spotlight for doing nothing, absolutely nothing. He released Blanco the other day. Blanco is a big video, not a big song. Blanco is a big music video with a small song. So man, I'm saying, man, listen, give Masicka a chance, bro. Stop sizing up Alkaline with Masicka now, man. One side and it's until the landslide, bro. And that's the bright side. But you don't know. We giving Masicka a chance, man, because this guy's putting in the work, hits after hits. Tyrant, 20matic, Limelight, the albums, you name it. Masicka is the man of the moment, not Alkaline. So just stop it, man. Give Masicka a chance.